Hey, what's cracking like it, y'all? Hey, we finna take you on a quick journey, man, of when New Edition opened up for the very first time at the Culture Tour. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, man, they one of the baddest groups that ever was assembled. You know what I mean? So, hey, we finna check it out and see what they did, man. Like I said, these are our temptations right now. So just check my boys out, man. They did a few songs or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Some of their favorites. So, you know what I'm saying? We're going to see how it went. But they going to do it in snippets, though. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all want me to do, like, the whole concert, grab all the content or whatever, put it all together, make one whole concert, you know what I'm saying? Let's get up to that 3K. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to bring them periodically. But, like, share these, man. Because everybody don't get a chance to see that they came back together and they reunited and they did that. You know what I'm saying? Because they've been having problems and breaking up and shit and all that. So, you know what I'm saying? So, these my dudes, man. So, let's see what they did. Let's go. It's all right, baby. Hush. It's all right. Gonna check out New Edition. Hold on.
Pull up in a new edition, and that's word of Johnny Gill.
Never trust a big butt and a smile worth the Ronnie.
Perm in your hair, or even a currency with your new edition Bobby Brown button on your sleeve.
Hey, everybody that ever mentioned the greatest group that we about to witness. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Giving them their flowers, dog, right now. Everybody's favorite song. What? Why does it hurt so bad? Makes me feel so sad inside. Like, share, subscribe, baby. Look, keep coming with these.